Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Slingshot Static Man Spin. If you know how to man spin already, you know a slingshot already. In fact, better still, a man spin where you don't let go, so you're changing hands behind your back, then you are absolutely ready to go for this particular move. Links in the description below for those. So it goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So let's break it down. Starts like a standard slingshot. Semicircle back, in side by side, twist the lady out. Now as we're sending the lady away, guys, we start to turn left. We switch the lady's hand from our left hand to our right hand. We continue to turn as the lady's moving away. We switch into our left hand behind our back. We continue to turn. We bring our right hand back into play and we come in almost kind of shaking hands grip. And at this point what we're going to do is, having stretched, we're going to bring the lady forwards, take the hand over the head, taking the lady around to the right, lean back the other way, and then we're just going to spin the lady in a return of direction back to where she was and catch. So let's talk numbers. We go back 1, in 2, twist out 3, start to slide the lady away 4 and be making a hand change already 4. As the lady continues back and out for 5, the guys go change and change. We bring the lady through over the top 6, little look 7, spin back 8 and catch 1. We'll do it from this side. Let's see how we get on. 5, 6, Slingshot Static Man Spin. It's a back, in, twist, away, prep, over, look, spin and catch. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Hope you've enjoyed that. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive move. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.